Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and today's tech tip is that water on your refrigerator, right? So if you ever have that itchy feeling in your throat, or you're at a friend's house, which happened to me one time, and you were instantly had like a throat infection, it could be because of germs and bacteria on this water spout here. So I'm gonna show you how to get to it. So as you can see, it does have some bacteria, and this is something you gotta do on a regular basis. Last time I cleaned this thing was probably a month ago. You see it's got a little buildup back on it already, especially for older refrigerators. So, what you have to do is, the reason why that lemon's there, take a Q-tip, put it inside of a lemon, some lemon juice on it. Now you don't want to buy lemon juice because you want the enzymes. You want it fresh. You want it nice and aesthetic, acidic. So Q-tip. I shot myself with water. All right, here we go. Yeah, be careful for the water. This thing still works. All right, and Q-tip in there. Clean it out. Probably even start with a good old rag. And look at that. Just a little bit of debris. So I keep mine pretty clean, but when I first did this, I do this on a regular basis. But when I first did this, it was black. It was gross. Maybe you want to buy another refrigerator. So you got the Q-tip. So you got both sides of the Q-tip. Put that thing real good in the lemon. Suck it up. And go back in. Make sure you get the rim real good. Get all up inside there. I'll turn the thing on again. Clean it out really good, twist it. So mine's not too bad this time around, but I wanted to share this video with you. Obviously, the best thing is replace the whole thing, but it's a lot of work. You have to take the door off in a lot of cases, and to restring the whole thing. But so I reckon this is a quick maintenance tip on your refrigerator door dispenser, water dispenser. At least once a month, get a nice lemon and just clean it out and disinfect it. And I'm sure there's other tricks and other ways of doing it, but just doing this video as a reminder on good health and again, the hidden bacteria inside your home. Any questions? Feel free to put them in the comments and I'll answer as soon as I can. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you keep up with these little tips. See ya.